Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. This is such a fun video. I am doing a flip through of my Recollections planner. This was 2017-2018, so it started in July of 2017 and it goes through the first partial week of January 2019 actually. And I have a video already for this first year worth from July to July. I will link that up here. This is where I left off that video. So you saw this spread not all the way filled out and then a couple others not all the way filled out, but I figured I would start here again and show you what they look like filled out. And then at the end of this video, I have a few that are not completely filled out because I pre-filmed them and I'll be on vacation and I'll come back and update them and then just stick this on my bookshelf as like a memory keeper. But I will post photos of those on Instagram once I'm back from vacation. So yeah, you'll probably be seeing this after that already happens, but just as an FYI, this planner won't be completely filled out. Anyways, this is the kit that I left off with in that spread, or in that video, I should say. And it's so weird, like it's December when I'm filming this and I'm going back to like this ocean kit. It's kind of funny. But this was super cute and fun, like sandy looking glitter and bright colors and things. I really enjoyed that. This kit, well, it wasn't really a kit, it was a mishmash of a whole lot of things and it didn't quite turn out how I wanted it to. And then like I forgot to record breakfast and lunch every day, so that looks a little goofy. But it worked, you know. It was an experiment and it was fun. And then I don't do monthlies in these in this planner because I never intended on staying in this planner. This was a glam planner, mystery, like pull, like a grab, pull, whatever, kit that I did at some point during the year. I can't remember, maybe Black Friday last year. But this was really cute. I love these little bubble letters so much. But this was a really fun spread. I like the glitter checklists and things. The deco is really cute. That was 4th of July, if you couldn't tell. These were stickers from my Mombi sticker books. I think they're from Michael's. And then I just sort of made up a spread and it's cute. Like it looks really full even though there's a ton of white space and a ton of pen. But I think it's still really pretty. And then this is using the same kind of books and then some like Target stickers and things to bring in foil very affordably. I don't know what happened here. Like, why do I have nothing on that day? That's weird. I should go look in my other planner and see what happened that day. Maybe I did nothing, so who knows. This was Scribble Prints Co. M Crystal prints for like the foil stuff, and then Erin Condren, and then Simply Gilded Washi and stuff. Definitely a mishmash, but I love this. I think the foil is super pretty. It's rose gold, and it has this like minty, even though the girls are all the same, I think it still works. It's pretty. I enjoy that spread. This is the first week in August. This was from Lily and Miko, and I had hollow foil on this kit. Very fun. Some of this again was from Erin Condren, some of the foil, but fun. I think I said it too when I filmed this, like you can just feel the heat coming off of this spread, like you're just hot. This was another mishmash kit where I used like washi and then boxes from all over and I don't know, just stuff lying around my apartment in my sticker stash, you know, just a blend of a whole lot of things and some stuff from Brandy's shop, like a 1-page sampler. This is from Lily and Miko, and I adore it. I have hollow foil on here also. So pretty. The quotes are from Creating & Co, I believe. But this is just so pretty. The colors are so good. This was from a grab bag from Joyful Planner, I think it was. And I had some other random things thrown in, but very pretty. I don't like the chocolate brown washi a ton. I think it's too dark for the spread, but you know, live and learn. This is from Cricut Paper Co. Very bright, very colorful. I had been wanting to use this kit for a long time, so I'm glad I finally used it. I think it's It's really fun. This is August. Kind of one of those months where you like don't have holidays, so you can like do a whole bunch of other cool things. This is like a Michael's sticker book, and then like other stuff pulled in, washi and foiled icons and stuff like that. The checklists are from Planning Roses. There's stuff from, you know, like the various Michael's sticker books, but it's a very fun black and gold spread. I don't know. I like it. The checklists don't completely match the other golds, but it's what I had, you guys. This is a jungle kit from Lily and Miko. It is super cool. And then this was a planning, like there were stickers from the Simply Gilded sub in there as well. That's a really fun one. This is from, oh my gosh, Paper Crown Planner, I think is the shop. And it's this gorgeous, gorgeous fall kit with the pink. So there's not, you know, you're not quite into fall yet because this is very early in September or mid-September, but it's definitely heading towards fall with the oranges and reds, but you still have the green and the pink to lighten it up. I really like it. This is the first week of fall. Ooh, pretty. This is from some shop with a cat name. Itty Bitty Sticker Co. Not a itty bitty. That's not... I think she has cats. I don't know. Something with cats. I think she has a cat. And then Simply Gilded washi, and then some Glam Planner headers and things, just stuff I had lying around. But this is fun. I really like those full boxes. Very, very fall. And then we're going to get into October. This is from Sweet Bella XOXO. I love her shop. Her stuff is so cute and super, super affordable. But just like the fonts and like the details and stuff there, it's just really, really pretty. So yeah, that was Sweet Bella XOXO. This is from Dutch Girls Design, and I love this. I have a coupon code for her. It will be linked down below. This is beautiful premium matte paper. And look at those pumpkin date headers. Like, they're so fun. Just really, really cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. She gives you a ton to work with too. This is from Lily and Miko. There's a code down below for the shop also. Y'all know I love Lily and Miko. But I love the purple. It's so, so rich. The plaid at the bottom is gorgeous. The soft gray color makes it a little lighter, which I enjoyed. And yeah, we're getting into the pumpkins. This was Grab Bag from Poppy Willow Co. I think. Is that who this is from? I think that's who this is from. And there was a lot of variety and some foil, and yeah, it was interesting. I used this artwork last year too. But this has like a weird reddish orange foil on it, which I don't own anything that color, but I guess it works for pumpkins. Very fall, but very pink and light also. I don't know. It's interesting. This is a kit from Brandy's shop or Danny Faith Designs. Let me like open my planner a different way so that we're a little more even. So this is super cute. Again, I love the pastel pink and orangey color. This was Halloween week, but I'm not super into Halloween, so I like that this was like pretty, not scary. These were leftovers from Glam Planner and Scribble Prints Co. for the most part. And some like deco from Poppy Willow Co. and stuff thrown in, but definitely a mishmash spread. One of my favorites. I think it turned out really, really cute. Even though I used some of the boxes that like I didn't care for the last time I used this kit, I really like this. I think it's super pretty. This is a kit from Coffee Monsters Co. that I got off of a buy-sell trade group, so there was like $10 kit or something like that, which it would normally not be. But I mean, how can you not love her stuff? It's so cute and pretty. And I really like the bright minty green color and like the watercolor nature of it. It's very fun for, you know, November. Oh, I didn't ever put dates on here. Whoops. I don't even know what day we're on. Let's see. The 12th through the 18th, I guess. That's funny. I'll have to go put dates on there. And then this is from Lily and Miko. This is for Thanksgiving week. Yes, this is Thanksgiving here. Again, another really unique, like very light and delicate, pretty kit for the doldrums of fall when it's like, you know, not super nice out. It actually wasn't horrible this week, but you know, it's still light and bright and pretty. This was a mishmash of two shops, Planner Bell Press and Sticker Bloom, and I like it. It's okay. It went with my word of the year, which was create. So it was just a nod to that, but I don't know. Not my favorite. I was frustrated when I was filming this, if you guys saw that video, because my colors didn't match and I don't know, stuff just wasn't perfect, but it's okay. It's okay. This is the week that we're currently finishing. Like today is the 9th, so I haven't gone through and filled this out yet. You can see some of it is filled out from when I first filmed, but I need to go back and finish filling the rest of it out. But this was Scribble Prints Co. and then leftovers from MP Designs Co. from last year, and it's gorgeous. Totally love it. This will get very filled in, by the way. Lots going on. And then this is the spread I filmed for next week. This is from Jump to It Designs Inc. Again, you can see that it's not filled out because this week hasn't happened yet. I'm pre-filming this. It's only the 9th right now, like I said. So this week hasn't happened. We'll get to it. And then this is Cricut Paper Co., which also hasn't happened. Super pretty, but I have started filling out some of the things that I know for this spread that you can see in there, like Pilates and school stuff and things. So it's starting to get filled out. This is from Brandy's shop or Danny Faith Designs. And again, I went very pastel, very unique color scheme for Christmas. Super, super pretty. I loved this artwork from last year, and I am so glad that I picked up a kit with it for this year because I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, and then lastly, this is Scribble Prints Co. Again, I need numbers for up here. I'll get those in a minute. But I just finished filming this one, and this is Scribble Prints Co. plus a whole bunch of like samplers, sheets, and things like that to fill in some of the functional stuff that was missing because it wasn't really a kit. It was just sheets from a grab bag. So I didn't really have like everything, but I think it worked out really well. I have headers from a Lily and Miko sampler and then Glam Planner sampler. Again, you know, a lot of these things were from little samplers, which is really, really fun. So this is the end of the planner. There's just a pocket back here, little zip pocket, and then the back cover. So that is my super gigantic planner. This thing is like huge, you guys. Like a solid 2 inches. I mean, if I squish it, it's like 1.5 inches or something, but it's huge. The cover like tries to pop off all the time, which is annoying. But eventually this will just go on my shelf and just be there as memories. So again, if you want to see the first year's worth of spreads in here, I have that video linked earlier. I'll try to link it down below as well so that it's a little easier in case you skipped the link in the beginning and now you want to go watch it. I'll try to remember to link it in the bottom bar as well. But if you just search flip through on my channel, there aren't that many flip through videos, so you should be able to find it and you'll see this cover. Okay. Let me know which one was your favorite from the second half of 2018. And I'm sorry that this, you know, series is ending, but I will definitely be sure to keep using affordable stickers on my channel, and I will try to let you know when they are as much as possible. But if you need some inspiration for affordable stickers, definitely go back through this series, check out the shops, check out the techniques, things like that, to stretch sticker kits or to find new places to shop from. And most of them are still in business, if not all of them. So I think that's really, really fun. So everybody, thank you so much for supporting me in this journey for this 1.5 years of budget plan with me's. And maybe I will do it again sometime in the future when like I can approach it from a fresh angle, because I meant to do 1 month. I did 18 months. And I know some of you guys got sick of like the Lily and Miko and the Brandy shop and stuff like that. So I do apologize, but I don't always want to use my Michael sticker books, which is why I won't be doing this again until I feel fresh. Okay, I thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!